Roses are not red, a still life never growing. The sun is not a source of light, and the wind will not be blowing. Birds will die as it was. I never loved you, I never loved you. Roses are not red, the rain has not been falling, and telephones ring unaware. To hear what we've been through, everything is in its place. I never loved you, I never loved you. Your face, so unremarkable, could never light this lonely town. Your voice, all but forgotten, does not echo every single sound. Your eyes without expression, there's nothing special in that gaze. So why do I spend every night dreaming of the things I'll never miss? No joy as spring arrives, there's nothing sad